When you think of gold, you think of luxury, beauty, and radiance. That's probably why skincare companies started putting it into serums, masks, and much more. But let's get to the bottom of this. Is gold really worth it? Raise your hand if you've ever been to a salon and been suggested a gold facial to brighten up your skin and undo your suntan. Unless this ingredient is paired with something brightening and more chemically exfoliating, I don't think this yellow metal alone can give you a glow up like never before. I briefly remember trashing gold facials in the previous point, but for a home kit that costs only 250 rupees, I can definitely make an exception. This doesn't say 24 karat gold on it, so I'm a little skeptical about how much gold it even contains. But at the price of 250, you will be getting a scrub, a face mask, a gel, a cream, and a serum. This is a good alternative to a one-time salon splurge treatment. Gold claims to be an amazing antioxidant that protects your skin from rapid signs of aging. It's also anti-inflammatory and helps calm down acne and redness. But gold hasn't been researched in depth, so it's possible that the positives that gold claims to have may be caused by other ingredients that are mixed in along with gold in a product. My list wouldn't be complete without featuring a K-beauty product. This gold-infused sheet mask is like no other. The base has a hydrogel consistency which moisturizes your skin even further. This also contains the glow-boosting ginseng, the youth potion collagen, and a lesser-known ingredient that helps with skin regeneration, swallow's nest. 5 of these power-packed masks will cost you 1299. But looking at the variety of ingredients, I'd empty my pockets for this one. How do they manage to make gold skincare relatively cheap? They use a tiny, super tiny amount of it. Usually these products contain 24 karat gold flakes or powder. But these particles are perfect as they are the right size to seep into your skin. I've been using this primer for a while and I'm a huge fan. The consistency of this is super sticky, just like honey, giving justice to its name. It also contains gold flecks that do make my skin look very dewy. For anyone with dull or dry skin, this primer costing Rs 1500 is a splurge, but you won't regret it. Thanks to its anti-aging and radiance boosting properties, gold can be the perfect ingredient for dull, mature skin. If you have acne without the oiliness, you can benefit from gold skincare too. Finally, we are starting to see 24 karat clearly mentioned in the product name. This makes me want to believe this product truly has some amounts of 24 karat gold in it. This also comes with nourishing ingredients like rosehip seed oil. This can be the ultimate anti-aging combination, but it comes with a hefty price at 1,850 for 10 ml and 4,750 for 30 ml. The anti-inflammatory properties of gold can easily be replaced with something as simple as aloe vera or vitamin C. Honey can provide hydration as well as youth-preserving benefits. Look for any product that has anti-aging and hydrating properties and you're set. The Guerlain Radiance Concentrate Primer comes with a big price tag at Rs 6,275. This primer contains multiple gold flecks that boost your radiance thanks to their reflectiveness. With a combination of pure 24 karat gold, as they claim, and a super hydrating base gel, this can be the ultimate glow potion for you. But at what cost? I think I need to make one thing clear. Benefits like antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties are not something so rare that only gold can offer. At the end of the day, I can't get behind the luxury ingredient gold as an essential skincare ingredient, and it can easily be replaced by something cheaper and more effective.